विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजचा आपला टॉपिक आहे RMS स्पीड. RMSचा लॉंग फॉर्म रूट मीन स्क्वेअर स्पीड. पहिल्यांदा एक्झाम्पल लिहून घ्या. एक्झाम्पल इज लाईक दिस. ॲट व्हॉट टेम्परेचर विल नायट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल हॅव द सेम RMS स्पीड ॲज ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्यूल ॲट 400 Kelvin, given that the mass of the oxygen molecule is 32 and nitrogen molecule is 28. TO, that means temperature of oxygen, 400 Kelvin, and we have to find TN, that means temperature of nitrogen, having the same, at which the nitrogen molecule have same speed, RMS speed, as that of the oxygen molecule. Now, definition of RMS speed. The RMS speed is defined as the square root of average of square of speed of gas molecule. It is called as RMS speed. It is given by V bar is equal to square root of V1 square plus V2 square up to Vn square divided by n, where V1, V2 and Vn are the speed of the gas molecule and n is the number of gas molecules. मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहिलं प्रेशर एक्झर्टेड बाय गॅस P is equal to 1/3 rho c square, where rho is the density of the gas and c is the, or instead of c we write here V, where V is the RMS speed of the gas. Sometimes the RMS speed may be denoted by letter C. Now we know that density is equal to m upon V. Remember here, this V means RMS speed and this V is nothing but volume of the container or volume of the gas. Therefore P is equal to 1/3 m upon V into V bar square. V taken on this side, PV is equal to 1/3 m V square, or PV is equal to RT, general gas equation for 1 mole of a gas. Therefore RT is equal to 1/3 m V square, or V square is equal to 3RT upon m, or V is equal to square root of 3RT upon m. So this is the formula for RMS speed of the gas molecule. V is equal to square root of 3RT upon m. Now putting the values, we can solve our numerical examples. In our numerical example, there are two molecules are given. One is the oxygen molecule whose RMS speed is VO is equal to square root of 3RTO divided by MO. R is gas constant. Vn for nitrogen molecule, square root of 3RTN upon Mn. Now we have to find the temperature Tn. Therefore by dividing this equation, Vn by Vo is equal to square root of 3RTN divided by Mn multiplied by, taking the reciprocal of Vo, we get Mo divided by 3RTO. 3R gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides, Vn square upon Vo square is equal to Tn Mo divided by Mn To. Now Vn is equal to Vo given in the problem, same RMS speed. Therefore Vn square upon Vo square is equal to 1. Therefore 1 is equal to Tn Mo divided by Mn To. We have to find Tn. Therefore Tn is equal to Mn To divided by Mo. Putting the value, Mn is equal to 28 TO is equal to 400 and MN is equal to MO is equal to 32. Remember here, sometimes the temperature is given in Celsius, so always convert it into Kelvin because Kelvin is in SI system. By solving this, we get Tn is equal to 350 Kelvin. Now the answer is Tn is equal to 350 Kelvin, means at temperature 350 Kelvin, nitrogen molecule have the same RMS speed as that of oxygen at 400 Kelvin.